gosh, just a gremlin, man. This is exactly how Inosuke be in his backstory too. They just ain't show it to us.
Why did you save me?
Yo, this MC is a
Foolish. Since Meowie is safe, you may touch my chest.
Oh yeah! Shit on a stick! Like balls that hurt!
oh, he not dead.
Take Meowie and run as fast as you can.
See, running. I don't have a mind for that. You know what time it
My chainsaws, why the hell ain't they working?
is. I would like to order a Viagra, please.
It'd be a tragedy to kill such a stud, so you're free to go.
What about those two?
They're going to die.
See, and we just had something going on.
Down.
Lovely, lovely. Who said my nigga was carrying with chainsaws? Equal rights, equal fights.
An impossible dream, yet beautifully romantic all the same.
I'm not
And
gonna
some
fight
eerie
you.
little
Come on, Denji.
It's revenge this. Protect my family that.
Yeah!
Stupid kitty.
Yeah!
Blah, blah. Think your big fancy ass goals make all of you hot shit?
Oh yeah!
We'll have a dream battle royale right now! If I murderize you, this'll be settled! Touching titties will be the better dream!
Let's go!
in the way you bargain, darling. I can just eat you.
Beat me in a dream battle, then you can do whatever the hell you want!
Oh, he mean it in a couple ways. This is actually more fire than I remember, though. All jokes aside. Lovely. Come on, man. Come on, man. Damn, damn, damn.
He's a demon.
Lovely, lovely, absolutely lovely. Come on.
Knuckle big thorn.
Clap. Fire, fire. I do not remember how these fights end. That was beautiful. I always knew you was a good guy, Aki. Did you see me? I was going crazy on they ass, though. Hey,
On it.
I'm broken.
Dream battle.
I'm battered. I'm beat up.
Both you and the Blood Fiend need to be debriefed. So let's go.
One testicle. One body. I may have killed a civilian, but I was
Got to a veterinarian
jugging on
for a
them
full checkup.
niggas. You feel me? Yo, Denji just put in straight work, though. He just put in so much work.
He said, I don't give a shit about this guy, and threw my car with me in it. Some creep with a chainsaw for a head.
Who they gonna believe, nigga?
I dig deeper into this and report what I find to the higher-ups. You and the Blood Fiend you covered for will be disposed of. If you can accept my one single condition, I'll let this thing slide.
It better not be no BS. I'm listening.
Follow all of my commands to the letter. You're a dumbass with a broken moral compass.
Everybody trying to dog my nigga around, man. Damn.
Okay? Answer if you understand.
Bro is already under like 4 oaths right now.
When Little Miss Fiend here kills somebody, bam. It's gonna be on you for letting her live today.
Even though we ain't forget what you did,
Includes the
bro.
very-
Just a simple guy. simple guy. This is a great life right here. Until he got to clock in. A lot of cigarettes. I sense a nicotine addiction. And here goes the issues. That's why he's... See? See?
The hell? Devils do house calls?
Gosh, that can only be one person.
Well. What a dismal abode you have here.
Oh my gosh, we were just doing so good.